I know you guys are like, where have you been? It's been a long time. I shouldn't have left you. Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miriam, and today, baby, we had ourselves some shrimp tacos. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get into this. I'm just go ahead and get started, then we'll talk. Okay, you know how I do. Ooh. Come on, baby. Ooh, take a bite. Ooh, Ooh, baby, yes. Jesus. Ooh, Lord, here we go. Here we go. So good. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. It smells so veggies. So good. Come on, baby. Yes. You guys have to excuse me a minute. I know you guys are like, where have you been? It's been a long time. I should have left you. But I'm going off. It's so good. The shrimp is seasoned perfectly. Open it up. Let me see. Focus on me. Focus on me. It's so good. It's so good. I tell you guys all the time, tacos, nachos, that's my go-to when I'm not filming. Chipotle. I met some wonderful people at Chipotle yesterday. It's so good. I'm so happy. Won't he do it? He said he would. Muy bien. So how you guys doing today? I hope and pray all is well. I'm doing just fine. Dripping in that sauce. Dripping in that lemon sauce. No, excuse me, lime sauce. The best. Lime juice. Baby. Yes. So good. As you guys know, I've been out of town. Had a wonderful time. Been to Augusta, Georgia. Wonderful, wonderful time. Here's some quartet music. I've been to Atlanta, Georgia, and Augusta, Georgia, and South Carolina, and had such a great time. Went to a gospel concert in Augusta. Met some wonderful young ladies there. They I'll put their information in the description box. They have their like gospel group, and they gave me their CD. It's called Glorified. I don't know if you can see it. And beautiful, beautiful ladies. Wonderful. I really appreciate the love that they showed me. So sweet. Went there, had a good time. Had spent some time with my family in Atlanta and my friends in Atlanta, and we had such a great time. My cousin and I were crying when we left each other. Just had such a good time. My little cousin danced and she sang. Oh my goodness. Her name is Madison. Actually, her and my other little cousin Matthew, they have their own YouTube channel. So please go to their YouTube channel and subscribe. It's called Matt and Maddie. I'll put the information in the description below. It's called Matt and Maddie. They're cousins, of course. And they're my cousins. Their parents are my first cousins. So I love those. I love those little guys. Love them to death. Love them to death. So Matt and Maddie, please go and subscribe and tell them it's so good, sent you. They're both, one's 10, one is 11. Or they're both 10 at the same time, or they're both 11 at the same time. I can't remember. No, Madison is 10, Matthew is 11. But I probably got that wrong. So good. So how have you guys been? I tried a couple days to work out, and it's not working out. I'm trying to work out, especially on days that I don't record, and incorporate more healthier meals when I don't record. But when I do record it, it gives me something to look forward to a good meal. I'm okay with being a big girl. I'm okay with being a big girl. Don't want to be small. However, I don't want to be this big. I will. And I'm pretty sure a lot of you can attest to that. Like, you don't mind being a big girl, but you don't want to be as big as you are. Probably won't talk much about a weight loss journey, but I will. Hopefully you guys can see the results yourself, you know what I mean? As my face changes, and some pics here and there as my body changes. So I've incorporated apple cider vinegar and some lemon juice. You know, I just want to be a little slim thick, you know. Slim thick, but more than anything healthier. And y'all know I like it fried and laid to the side. I like a little bit of cheese, hold the peas. But just some changes. I'm not gonna go full throttle and hardcore because I want to last, you know. My being so good. I want another one. So bad. But I'm not gonna do it. Ain't gonna do it. I have on, oh my gosh, close friend, good friend of mine, sells these t-shirts called Trust God. You know, if you guys can see it, I'll make sure that I'll put a link of me and a picture of it in the description box. Trust God. Very cool guy named Jeffrey Newberry. He sells these t-shirts, and everywhere I go I get compliments on these t-shirts. So if you want to purchase your own t-shirt, your own merchandise, it'll be in the description below. I know you guys are saying, where is the It's So Good merchandise? It's gonna come, trust me, it's gonna come. But please, if you can, support my friend Trust God, link in the description. And if you put Trust God in one of the comments below, I'll send somebody a t-shirt. So that's another giveaway I want to do on my channel, that I'll purchase a t-shirt and I'll send it to one of you guys. So, and as you guys know, when I do random giveaways, I don't announce the winner, but when we do subscriber milestone giveaways, then I'll announce who those winners are. So if you want your own Trust God t-shirt, I'll probably have it in a size large. If you want your own Trust God t-shirt, in description, excuse me, in the comment section, when you make a comment, just put Trust God. Okay, I love you guys so much. I've missed you guys so much. We're almost at 500,000 subscribers. I cannot believe this. We're like, what, 14,000 away or something from 500K. Oh my gosh, I'm so elated. I thank God for all of you. I thank God that you guys love my content and you continue to watch. Even when I don't post, you know, you guys still view everything. And I truly do love you guys. I really, truly do love you guys. And when I meet you, I'm so overjoyed when I meet you guys in person. I mean, you guys make somebody feel like a celebrity, baby. Dude, I love you. And I almost forgot. Peace.